everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Arwa and I am the go-to for all things social media management. Well, today I'm giving you the inside scoop of all the tools that I use in my social media management business. So let's dive right. That I use is Google Drive and Google Sheets. Now, Google Drive is my source to store everything. So from client data to like onboarding forms to content calendars, everything is stored in Google Drive. Every client has its own dedicated folder where I store all the client assets, the images that they send me, the branding assets, and all things client related. So it stays in that particular folder. And the very next thing that I have is the Google Sheets. That's my content calendar, where I store all the content of my client in that specific content calendar. So whenever like I onboard a client, I make like a dedicated content calendar for them. When we start planning content, when we are, brainstorming ideas, I can put everything in that Google Sheet. Section 2 is the payment tools, which is Stripe and PayPal. These two are like my go-to tools to like collect payments from clients. It's super easy to like create like a payment link on Stripe, and even on PayPal it's like very easy to create like an invoice and then send it to the client via email. If you are like a new social media manager, then definitely these two tools are amazing to like collect payments. So the next part is video editing tools. Now these three tools are the best tools that are currently trending in the market, which are super easy to learn and easy to use, are Descript, Opus Clip Pro. So if you are more into live, I would suggest you to use the Opus Clip Pro. You can basically put your whole video inside of Opus Clip and then it will generate multiple short form videos for you. So it's an amazing tool if you want to save a lot more time, don't want to create shorts separately, and you don't want to have like a separate strategy for your short form content, then it's an amazing tool. Another tool that I personally really like is Descript. Descript is for someone who is not very well versed with the video editing, complex video editing tools. So Descript allows you to edit videos with the transcript itself. So once you remove the transcript from the video gets edited itself. It also detects all the filler words. So again, that's an amazing part of this tool, where you don't have to do much of the effort and the AI does most of the effort for you in just one click. And if you are like well versed with the complex video editing tools, I would suggest start with CapCut because it's pretty cheap, and also the paid plan is pretty good. It has wide range of templates that you can use, and you can just click on the template and then just embed your own short clips, and then you'll have like an amazing video ready to go. Coming next to the organization tools, I use Trello for all my day-to-day activities. So for example, I will separate out like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday laid out in Trello, and that's how like ADHD brain works. So I list down all my client tasks and I see what I have to do in that particular week for my clients, and that way I don't miss out on any tasks. Another option that you can use is Google Calendar. I put all my meetings in Google Calendar, so I don't have to make an effort to remind myself that I have a meeting tomorrow. It's on my calendar and I look at my calendar every day, and so that's pretty easy. So the next tool that I really like for like quick client communications or like recording screen share videos is Loom. Only allows you to record 25 videos for free, but then after that it's paid, but it's absolutely worth it because how quick and easy it is to share the video. Loom has also released new features which are like AI related. I haven't tried them enough, but that I would always prefer Descript. It is amazing to write SOPs and also like share it with your team or any client updates. So these are the tools that I use. There are many other tools that you can use as well. There are like alternatives available in the market. So if you are comfortable with some other tool, feel free to drop them down and I can also check them out, because even I'm a social media manager. If you want more videos that are related to tools and AI, do let me know in the comments below and I can make videos around that. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the links that are related to this video will be in the description box, so please make sure to check that out. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.